The shorthand names the hour.
Welcome to Sun Clock Cove. Down in the water, Tella, the painted turtle, is on the move, swimming through the reeds and climbing the sun-warmed stones of her natural habitat. Observe the surroundings carefully. The numbers and symbols are naturally embedded in the landscape, waiting to be identified. This environment is full of timing cues, from this analog clock face to the digital numerals etched directly into the driftwood. By following Tella, we will learn how to tell and write time in hours and half hours using these physical markers found throughout the cove. Tella climbs the 3 o'clock stone, showing an analog clock. The shorthand names the hour, 3. The longhand on 12 means o'clock. Write the time as 3 o'clock. The clock shows 3:00, 3 o'clock. Tella continues into the half-past reeds, finding another clock. The longhand on 6 means half past. The shorthand has moved past 7 toward 8.
The longhand on 6 means half past.
Write the time as 7:30. The clock shows 7:30, half past 7. Tella finds digital driftwood next to an empty analog face. O'clock times end with 00. The longhand points at 12. The shorthand points at 10. 10 o'clock means the shorthand at 10 and the longhand at 12. Tella reaches the final matched pair to show half past 1. Half past means the longhand at 6. The hour hand sits halfway past 1. Write the time as 1:30. Half past 1 is written 1:30. Looking back across the cove, we can see Tella's entire path, from the first stone to the final leaf mat. The labels on the stones and reeds name the hour, while Tella's movement between them shows how the morning has progressed. Every stop we made shows how the position of the clock hands translates directly into the numbers we write. Kit the Shiba watches from the tree line as the journey ends.
At 1:30, the hour hand moves halfway.